Decided to take a day off, come to Glamis. Been having trouble with these two bikes. Owners keep seizing them up, so I don't know what they're doing. So we're out here to test them to see if we can seize them up. So it should be a fun day. This one is a stock stroke dune port pump gas. It's got T5s, stock carburetors, can ends. Just a basic, easy build motor. Perfect for out here at Glamis. Short and agile. This one's a 4 mil. I think those are old P4s on there, P3s. All right, we're gonna do some riding. 4 or 5 laps. She screams, no missing. The pipes keep it from singing to where the port job is. It signs off a little earlier than what I'm used to, these old T4s or T3s. You need some T5s or some CPIs or some shears. We rode the piss out of that teal bike. I beat the hell out of it and it's running fine. So hopefully it will run good for you all trip. We're on our second tank. And we're having fun on it. What a blast. It's been a long time.